Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions on Amazon Firestick. This is really useful when you want to stop paying for services you're no longer using, so let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com, then log in with your credentials. Now, here's something important you need to know before we continue. Some subscriptions do not cancel on the Firestick itself and must be handled on the Amazon website or the service's own website. That's why we're doing this through the browser instead of directly on your device. Once you're logged into Amazon, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu option that says Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Memberships and Subscriptions. This will take you to a page where Amazon displays all your active subscriptions in one place. Now, I don't personally have any memberships or subscriptions to show you on my account, but I'll walk you through exactly what you would see and do next. On the Memberships and Subscriptions page, you'll find a list of all your active subscriptions. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find the subscription you want to cancel. Once you've located the subscription, look for a button or link next to it that says Manage Subscription. Click on that. This will open up the management page for that specific subscription, where you'll have control over your subscription settings. On the subscription management page, you should see an option that says either Cancel Subscription or End Membership, depending on what type of service it is. Go ahead and click on that option. Amazon wants to make sure you really want to cancel, so they'll show you some on-screen prompts asking you to confirm your decision. Follow those on-screen prompts carefully. Amazon might offer you a discount or try to convince you to stay, but just keep clicking through until you reach the final confirmation. You'll know you're done when Amazon shows you the cancellation confirmation message. This confirms that your subscription has been successfully canceled and you won't be charged again. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your subscription through the Amazon website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.